on YouTube? Chris back here again with another video, and for today we're going and playing around with the Ralliart. So first things first, go ahead and take a look at this. So the side marker on the Ralliart that mine has, this is a 2015, serves no purpose. There's no light in there, it's just more of a decoration from the base Lancers. Usually there is a side marker on here that would blink, but for the Ralliart they just gave you a silver one, which I have plasti dipped black. And yeah, so that's how it sits on the car. And reference, here is the fender. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is show you the hazards. Throw the hazards on real quick. So typically if you had a side marker for this car, it would be blinking in unison with your mirror right there. So yeah. So in today's video we're going to go ahead and swap that out. I bought a new one off of Amazon, and they are sequential, so hopefully it looks good on the car. It's going to be black in color. And yeah, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and throw it on the car and I'll show you guys what's up. Alright, so to remove these things, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to come up to it, so here it is, and it's basically like these new ones. There's going to be a little prong that you got to push back and it releases. So all you're going to do is pop this back, comes out just like so, and there you go. So like I said, there's that little prong right here on the side. You just want to push it against that ceiling, and it basically allows you to pop it out. So you're going to disconnect this, just push here on the end and tug away. May need two hands. Alright, and there you go. As you can see, that's just a dummy fill plug, and if you look at the car, it's actually hooked up and ready to go for anything you want to plug on there. So find the right one. Here is the right hand side of the car. You're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Hard to do it one hand, but there we go. Audible pop, click in. And then before I throw it in, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the hazard lights and see if they work. All right, sweet. So obviously it worked, so I'm going to go ahead and fully install it. Reverse what you just did. So you're going to go ahead and install the back piece first, push it in, and snaps in place. So there you go, it's a little OEM. The fitment's pretty good, it's not too loose or anything, so happy with that. It is a lot thicker than the original piece was. So the original piece almost sat a lot more flush to the car. So this sticks out a little bit, but I think the outcome's a lot better. Gives it a lot more style with that sequential on the side. Breaking video, has some Florida weather for you here in the background. So yep, storms are rolling through. But here's the unfinished side, and here's the finished side. So again, these are black in person. And side number 2, same process. Push back, let go, and disconnect. Got some California sand still stuck in there. Want to go ahead and check your plug. You always want to do that. Make sure there's nothing crazy going on in there. Go ahead and hook her up. And same thing. I'm gonna let it droop for now. Turn on the hazards, make sure she works, and then we'll fully put her in. Which bingo. Alright, so I got both of the side blinkers on. Here's the old ones, 1 and 2. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw the car on and show you guys what they look like. Fully installed. Mind the dirty garage, but here's your hazards on. And as you can see from the side, there goes the side blinkers, matching the mirrors. And what I like about this one is it flares from the front to the back. I know some people online were saying the ones they bought were coming from the back and moving forward. At least these sequentials go from front to back. Looks a lot cleaner. I think if it came forward, it would look kind of funny. But yeah, there you go. I'm pretty happy with it. Alright, so that's going to wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed the little modification I just did, give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys care. And yeah, so as always, I'll lay in the description below where you can go ahead and buy your side markers if you thought the look of that was nice, which I personally think is a good upgrade for most of these Lancers out there. The sequential look just looks great. And yeah, so other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on idle, and we will see you guys in another video. Peace. So in the meantime, these old ones can just go in my collection of stock parts. Getting quite the collection up here. I got the old tail lights up there, I got the exhaust, I've got some intercooler piping parts, and I got a lot of stuff up here with stuff for the future as well.